Hi, I'm Kshitij M. Kotak, President of ASIRT, ASIRT, Association of System Integrators and Retailers in Technology. The reason behind bringing these people together is to basically make sure that the community that deals with end customers provides services, solutions to the end customer, be it corporate, government, enterprise, small business, SMEs to be precise, or to consumers, all under one platform, in a way in which it empowers greater profitability for each one of them. There was no association that was focused or is focused on the problems, the woes and the profitability of system integrators, solution providers, system builders and retailers who have their own set of challenges, probably much bigger than the dealer or the distributor or the sub-distributor community. One of the biggest challenges is that there is no one to speak for them. Number two, all of the associations believe, predominantly being traders association, they believe that most of the problems lie with either the end customer, the dealers, the system integrators, or with the vendors. Vendors are not giving enough profitability. That is a common excuse. What we believe is that as system integrators, 90% of the problems can be sorted out if we look within us, if we improve our own business practices, and if we collaborate to make sure that the entire business, the entire chain of IT partner community collaborates and delivers to end customer. If it is to be believed, ASIRT is the most progressive and the most talked about association in the country at the moment. We started with a tagline of partner, progress, evolve. Partnering was the first thing that we encouraged, and we encouraged it by arranging regular tech days, in fact monthly tech days, which encourages members to come together, and we bring opportunities from vendors, introducing our members to new technologies, new avenues for growth and the like. We were the first in the country to introduce, and probably we are still the only one to introduce, that we have an Evolve speaker. Evolve speaker is the one who is a subject matter expert who comes in at tech days and trains our members with better business practices, like for example marketing, sales, HR policies, online marketing, social media marketing, technologies and how to make use of that, profitability, how to improve profitability, things like that. So overall, we have tech days, one every month, and that's the minimum, one every month, where we call subject matter experts and we call vendors. And that's what encourages members to keep coming. ASIRT encourage formation of consortiums. Now consortiums are a group of 10-15 people who are ASIRT members, who are from different expertise, and they come together and encourage business relationship with each other. For example, if somebody has a customer who wants a data center implementation, and there is another member who is fulfilling that requirement, so both of them come together, pitch jointly to the customer, and both of them make money. We also have something which is an online community. The online community which has been empowered by ASIRT website called Member Connect and Opportunities Board. Any member who has an opportunity that he cannot fulfill can put that on the online board, the bulletin board of ASIRT. ASIRT Connect is another online activity of ASIRT. On the ASIRT website, we have something known as Member Connect board, where members put in their own information and their areas of expertise. If an ASIRT member wants to find out who's a good data protection system expert, they can find out using ASIRT connect. With Assert Gold member certification, the member commits himself to the minimum standards that Assert has defined and also agrees to charge the customer for those services, for those levels of services. With this, we have brought members on par with each other and with the best in the industry, leaving the rest far behind us. When somebody sees a logo of Assert Gold member on the member's visiting card, they are bound to ask why, which is when Assert member gets an opportunity to explain that these are the 5, 6, 7 things that we have promised, we have committed to, we have sworn to deliver to our customers. And that's what makes a difference to the customer. It's very easy for some subject matter expert to come and say, boss, this is your cost. This is what you spend for this is what you sell, this is what you earn. And therefore, this is your profitability. To increase it, do this, do this, do this, do this. So we wanted members to realize from within. From within that realization, we wanted to come that how are they bleeding their business or how can they profit. So Assert developed a tool called Evolve tool. That's a simple Excel sheet using which members can know which part of their business is profitable, which part is bleeding them. Normally, members only had access to what is the profit, what is the operating expense, what is the sale, what is the operating expense, what is the net profit. That's it. With this, members can make intelligent decision as to how they can improve the business, which section of business needs more attention, which section of business they need to either profit more or shut down. The best part is we made this tool available not only for Assert members, but we also made it available for the rest of the IT community across the country. And it's totally free. And it's in Excel. What more or how simple can this be? I do remember a couple of members saying it in the next tech day that they were completely shattered and scared looking at the fact that their main paying business, what they thought is their main paying business, the services part, the classic services part, was actually bleeding them to the extent of 15%. We encourage system integrators across the country to go to www.asirt.in, click on the Evolve tool and download this Excel sheet. It will definitely be a game changer for you for realization of where your business is heading and how. Mumbai IT Street is a search engine that any end user can go to, search for a service or a product, typically services and solutions such as clustering or data center formation or security or firewall or whatever it may be, and they will find the best Assert members who are delivering those solutions. We think we would want to continue with the momentum that we have gathered, give more impetus to MumbaiITStreet.com and grow it to IndiaITStreet.com by getting more national members, by getting members who are willing to create chapters locally and grow the community.